Hi everyone, here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert, Scrummy Bounty Madeleines. Our kits make approximately 24. Wash any new equipment. Grease 2 silicone Madeleine molds with soft butter. Place them on a baking tray. You can also make this recipe in 2.5 batches. If you're making a plant-based Madeleines, make your flax eggs by emptying 3 sachets of linseed and 75 ml of water. If you're using regular eggs, make sure they're at room temperature. Take the flour, baking powder, baking soda sachets and sift them into a medium bowl. In the bowl of a stand mixer, whisk the flax eggs and both types of sugar for 5 minutes until pale and thick. Melt 120 grams of butter in a saucepan, then pop on the lid. Turn up the heat slightly and let that bubble for about 1 minute until it starts to look caramel in colour. This is called beurre noisette or brown butter. Leave to cool. Slit your vanilla pod in two and scrape out the seeds. You can keep the skin and pop this into a bowl of sugar to give it a hint of vanilla. Really nice and coffee. Add the vanilla seed to the egg mixture. Fold in the cool beurre noisette and dry mixture in 3 goes using a spatula until just incorporated. Cover with a tea towel and place in the freezer for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Fill the rested batter into a silicone piping bag and pipe each shell cavity to about 3/4 full. To get that distinctive hump that you see in Madeleines, you'll need to freeze again for 10 minutes, then bake at around 9 minutes until puffed and golden. Unmold the Madeleines straight away and tease out with a butter knife if it's a bit sticky. Microwave the chocolate for about 15-second bursts, stirring in between until your chocolate is melted and glossy. Dip the tops of the Madeleine in a slightly tilted way and then sprinkle with desiccated coconut. Leave to set on the wire rack. These Madeleines are absolutely delicious when they're served warm and fresh, but they do also keep for about 3 days in an airtight container. Enjoy!